बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हमारा टॉपिक है करिकुलम। A curriculum is a blueprint to pipe of the school that includes experiences for the teacher, learner, curriculum planner, expert. The correct answer is learner. If two or more methods are mixed up for teaching, the teaching methods will be known as combined method, mixed method, eclectic method. None of these. The correct answer is eclectic method. The Choice Oxford Dictionary defines curriculum as a course of learning, carrot race course of study, course of education. The correct answer is B. Carrot race course. The model of curriculum could not move above elementary stage is core curriculum, activity curriculum, subject curriculum. None of these. The correct answer is activity curriculum. A curriculum is the sum total of school's influence on a child, personality, attitude, behaviors, action. The correct answer is behavior. Curriculum is the sum total of school's influence on child's behavior. Percentage of knowledge gained through observation/vision is 75%, 40%, 50%, 60%. The correct answer is 75%. Summative evaluation takes place in the beginning, in the middle, at the end, after regular inter. The correct answer is at the end. Summative evaluation takes place at the end. Education policy that give equal weight to general science and technical education was 1972, 1978, 1992, 1998. The correct answer is 1972. Education policy that gives equal weightage of general knowledge and general science and technical education. Correct answer is 72. In planning and implementing curricula, school makes its selection from culture, region, nation, mass communication. The correct answer is culture. How many basic components of curriculum have? 2, 4, 6, 8. The correct answer is 4. Basic component of curriculum have a 4. Curriculum development refers to the total process of curriculum, designing, implementing, evaluating, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which one is not the component of the curriculum? Design, content, objectives, evaluation. The correct answer is design. Design is not a component of a curriculum. Effectiveness of curriculum is determined by objective, design, method, evaluation. The correct answer is evaluation. Evaluation is a very effective to determine the curriculum.